Welcome to TNA Auto Reviews. Today, we dive into the world of one of the most feared, respected, and unforgettable muscle cars ever built. A machine that didn't just dominate the streets, it controlled them. This is the 1970 Dodge Charger R/T, a legend carved out of steel, horsepower, and pure American attitude. The moment you see the '70 Charger, you instantly understand why it became an icon. That long, imposing body. The hidden headlights. The powerful shoulders over the rear wheels. This car doesn't just look aggressive, it looks alive. Every inch of its design feels like it was shaped to command attention, to express dominance, and to whisper one message: this road belongs to me. Under the hood lives the soul of the beast. The mighty 440 Magnum V8, and for those brave enough, the legendary 426 HEMI, an engine so powerful, so brutally responsive, that it changed the definition of performance forever. When the Charger roars, the sound is thick, deep, and unapologetically raw. It shakes the ground, it shakes your chest, and it shakes you awake. This is not a gentle machine, it's a storm disguised as a car. Inside, the cabin keeps things simple, but everything feels strong, purposeful, and driver-focused. The thick steering wheel, the bold gauges, and the long dashboard all reflect a time when driving was about connection, not convenience. There were no screens, no artificial engine notes, no computerized systems controlling your experience. The Charger lets you be in command. It demands skill. It demands respect. And in return, it gives you one of the most thrilling driving sensations ever created. The '70 Dodge Charger R/T is more than just a muscle car, it's a cultural icon. Featured in films, adored by collectors, feared on drag strips, and loved by anyone who understands what real power feels like. This car represents rebellion, strength, and unfiltered adrenaline. It's the kind of machine that doesn't ask for permission. It simply arrives, makes its presence known, and leaves behind a memory that lasts forever. Driving the Charger is like holding onto a charging bull. Massive torque, instant response, and a personality that feels wild yet beautifully controlled. Every rev of the engine, every shift of the gear, every vibration in the cabin reminds you why old muscle cars remain unmatched. They weren't just built, they were engineered with heart. And that's why the 1970 Dodge Charger R/T still stands tall today. In a world where cars are becoming silent, automated, and emotionless, the Charger remains a symbol of raw, mechanical power. The kind of power you don't just hear, you feel. It reminds us that driving used to be thrilling, dangerous, loud, beautiful, and absolutely unforgettable. This is the legacy of the '70 Charger R/T, bold, intimidating, and eternal. A machine that didn't just race on the streets, it ruled them.